Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. We took Blythe dolls and made accessories like their Christmas gifts. We've been doing collabs now for several years, and it's always fun. They always push me a little further. I took my little Kenner. Oh, I love her. And her hair smells so good from the Downy Dip. Look how good her hair turned out. I'm so pleased. This doll is over 50 years old. I'm just thrilled with her. There is a poncho called Pow Wow Poncho that came out with the Kenner dolls. Let me put her arm down so you can see it a little better. And what I call reimagine that. Now my trim, let me pull my little snaps. She don't have anything underneath this because I didn't have time to do the little white bodysuit. My trim was thicker than I needed, so I had to fold it down different, but I'm pleased. I had found this trim, which is just about what they used for back then, in a garage sale stash I had of trims and ribbons and whatnot. Let me put her arms back on. And this is what I used and how I cut it, and a little bit about the trim and fringe. For my Kenner accessory, I want to do this poncho for my Kenner. It is a 1972, believe me, I want to put an offer in on this doll. She's Raven. She has both boots and the under, this is a one piece. I don't know if I can show that to you here on Whimsical Blythe. Yes, it is a one piece like old time long underwear. And that goes under the poncho with the little boots. Now, let me pull this up. This piece here comes off the neck. Now, there were variations where there was a white piece put there. I like this, but I can't find that. I did find this, which is too thick on AliExpress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this like a bias tape for the neck. I bought this fabric. I really like it. It's I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's kind of brushed. I don't know. It's a nice fabric for this piece. How's that? And then I bought this to cut down because they don't have. You can't just buy this type of fringe anymore, although if you look at it real close, it does look like this cut. Well, I was going through some trim I found at garage sale, and look what I found. I found a piece of this fringe from that time period. So this is what I'm going to use on my Pow Wow poncho. And I'm going to try to do the boots and a little purse. I believe it came with a purse. Let's look back here. Come on. There we go. No, I do not see a purse with that. Now, some of them have a little purse. There were a lot of different... they were made different ways before packaged. So what I did is I laid down my little Takara, who is my model for my Kenner, and I just kind of rolled her arms to see where I wanted that to hit. If you look at the Kenner again, it hits a little higher. No, you can't see it there. It hits a little higher if you look at them than the wrist. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over my sewing machine. I'm going to zigzag this all around, and then I'm going to fold over a very small seam. And then I will, after I finish that, I will cut a little bitty hole and a slit up the back. These are Blythe dolls. I don't know how this is attached. I've never had one, but I'm going to put a couple snaps in the back. So let's see where I land on the poncho. I didn't measure my trim right the first time. However, it's like they knew I was going to make this. It's just enough trim. What I'm doing is a white thread on top and a brown thread underneath. That way the white stitches will come out on my trim, but it'll be brown underneath on the poncho. Now I do want to say, this fabric is very unforgiving. It's large fibers and it's loosely woven. So when I turn my shoes inside out, I want to try something else. I want to try a different fabric. When I turn these inside out, some of the fibers came free, and I don't want to push that toe any further than I had. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with these little boots. And then I made a little purse. I had a little trim. It looks crooked. Honestly, it's not. A little trim left, so I put that on a little purse that I made her for an accessory. That's kind of a mess stitch there, but this was a lot harder than it looks because of the loops and how far apart they were. I really had fun, ladies. I love my little Kenner. It gave me an excuse to get this what is it called? Powwow poncho outfit made that I've been wanting to do. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Beth. And they're linked in my title, so you can go by and see what accessories they made their Blythe dolls today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.